Hey you guys, I thought today could be both an informative video for you guys as well as help me vent after a very frustrating day. Let's get into this. So the RTH on Friday closes somewhere around here. Let's call it 41.85, whatever. Somewhere around here. I think Google and Apple had some AI news, something like that. But all you really needed to know was that the external trading hours ramped up strongly, okay? The overnight low around 81 up to the overnight high up here, 45 points. That is beyond the normal range, well beyond. Normal range is something like, 20, 30 points. Um, because of that, I was not looking to fade this to the short side. That was the first reason. The first reason is because we already have an excessive move to the upside. The second reason, and the reason why I was bid later in the day, was because all of this, you can see we had shorts coming in. Shorts were happening all of this Thursday's RTH, all right? All of Thursday night, Friday morning, Friday pre-market, they try and wrap it, and there's this strong liquidation into the open. So to me, these are a ton of shorts around here. This kind of, let's call it 18 to 30 area. So when we cleared that today, these shorts are going to be bid to cover. So that was the main trade I was interested in today. You had these guys are offside, these shorts are offside, right? And on top of that, you clearly have a very bid market. We can just throw in a VWAP. Let's get rid of the lines. Oh, there you go. Look at this VWAP. Since about 9 p.m. or so, we've been above it. 9 p.m. tags it at 4:30. Again, the EU Open this week is a bit monkeyed because of daylight savings, so Euro Opens at 4 a.m. Continues to be bid. We don't actually touch VWAP until 11:30, 11:30, 12, 12:30. Roughly the Euro close, 12:30 currently. So to me, today was a long day. Now, I was saying that if there was a spot to be short, it'd be around 39 to 40, right up here. And the reason for that is quite similar to the reason over here. You had longs trying to breach, trying to break out on this Thursday session. They got stuck under these trapped longs, and now today, when we were ramping up, they got trapped under these longs, right? So to me, 39 was the last spot. If you got above 39, you're above settlement highs over here at 41-ish. You're above the open as well from Thursday, and you would start breaking out upwards. I was bid 18s, and I missed by a tick here. You can zoom in if you want. There you go. There's 19 as the low, right there. And after it did that rotation upwards, I was not interested in it. But that was the spot for me. That sort of level, that 18-ish spot. To me, that's been the key level for a while, right? Look, there's a big bid. There was a sell-off of it. There was another sell-off of it. If you go to a lower time frame here, you can see when it tries to accept down, that's where we get a sell. When we come here, that's where you get a bid. Sell, 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 right? So to me, 18s are the critical spot where the shorts from this Thursday, Friday session are probably trapped, just like how there are longs trapped up here from that Thursday open and pre-market. This also gets into something else, which is that now the reason I avoided taking that short at 39.25, I paper traded it. I was talking about it in the Discord, this and that, and I mentioned it as a paper trade. The reason why it was not a real trade is because typically, when you get some sort of huge move in Globex, you usually don't want to be fading it. Especially when you're getting an open above a key level like that 18s. So why? What does that mean? Well, you're getting a gap up, a gap up after a tight day. Friday had a tight value area, so all these guys are in here. All these RTH shorts and longs and this and that, they're all stuck in here. And you're getting this big gap up. You're gapping up above all these trap shorts now. And you've made an excessive move in one direction, which is likely to continue in that direction. To me, if it was not FOMC coming up on Wednesday, if it wasn't a Monday, which tend to be rotational, statistically backed, um, we would have ripped above that 40 spot and made new highs. So not only is this about where inventory is, it also has to do with kind of the the rhythm or flow of the market from day to day when we have news like the FOMC coming up. It's just hard to get some sort of major move. So I hope that explains the thought process from today. You have a big level at 18s. We gap above it, putting all these shorts offside. We're getting into a critical area where these longs got offside. Those longs, these trapped longs around 40, sell out. That gives us the high of the day. Just like how these trapped longs caused selling over here on Thursday. And then you get bids. Look how long these bids took. 1, 2, 3 solid rotations. These are like 10-point rotations off of that 18 spot, and then it finally not only 3 rotations off a level, 3 rotations off a level with only Globex volume below you. That just tells you how many people were trapped here. They kept bidding it up, and then eventually we got into that key 10 level as well into the close. But anyway, hope that makes sense to you guys. Is that to me the trade was to the long side, especially with the overnight high broken. You're gapping up above a key level, and the meaning of that is that you're gapping up, you're getting excessive pressure in one direction. Above a key level means that you're gapping up above where shorts had engaged in the past, and these shorts are now bid to cover. That gives you a bid to work off of. Hope that makes sense. Hope that helps. Have a great night. Trade safe.